Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning programs. Dear students, today discuss about exercise work, exercise 49 for class 3, part 4. Let us start your exercise work. Dear students, in first questions, in front of you, some solid figures and some plane figures. In previous video, we discussed about which type of figures we said as plane figures and which type figures said as solid figures. Dear students, you know that you remembered. If you not remembered, please remember such types solid figures and plane figure. First of all, tick the solid figures and cross the plane figures. Here write down such statements. Tick the solid figures and cross the plane figures. Dear student, first of all I choose plane figures. Plane figures: triangle, rectangle, a square, circle are plane figure. Why? Because such type figures drawn on a plane are called plane figure. So we say that this is plane figures, cross, because here, and this is also plane figures and this is also plane figure, and rest figure, that means cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder, a sphere, such type figures are solid figures. That means solid figures, cone solid figures, cylinder solid figures, cube solid figures, ice cream solid figures. So I hope that you understand, you differentiate between solid figures and plane figures. I hope that have no any problems. Now dear second questions, fill in the blanks by selecting from the following words. Here dear students, in boxes given some words: point, line segments, plane figure, solid figures. Dear students, from these words we fill up in the given following fill in the blanks. Now in first questions, a vertex of a cube is a. Dear students, you know that, you remembered, where two lines meet, a common end point is called a vertex. Common end point is called a vertex. So dear students, here one lines and here one lines, this is called a vertex, where two lines meet. Initial point is called, initial common point is called a vertex. So dear students, a vertex of a cube is a point. Is a point. A face of a cuboid. A face of a cuboid. Dear students, when we discussed cube and cuboid, the face of cuboid is rectangular, rectangular shape, and face of cube is a spiral shape. So dear students, a face of a cuboid is a plane figure. Which type figures? Plane figure. Now an edge of a cuboid, edge, that means two endpoints. A line has two endpoints, we say that's line segments. In previous video we discussed about an edge of a cuboid is a line segment. Now the surface of a blackboard, this is the whiteboard, not blackboard. Dear students, surface of a blackboard, surface of a blackboard, plane figure. Which type of figure? Plane figure. Now a tennis ball, tennis ball like a sphere. Tennis ball is like a sphere, so we say that tennis ball is solid figures. Now last questions of the blanks. A tube light. You know that you see the tube light. Suppose this is a tube light. This is a tube light. Which type of shape? Cylinder. Cylinder shapes. You know that cylinder is the examples of solid figures. So dear students, you will fill in the blanks. Finish. I hope that you understand such type figures. Dear students, I think that 2 points remembered. Plane figures, solid figures, point and line segment. What is point? What is line segments? Which type figures we say that's plane figures and which type say that's solid figures. You remember, then your problem is very easy for you. And now third questions, today's topics. Dear students, name all the line segments. You know that. What is line segments? What is line segments? Here, 3 sides. And you know that this is the vertices of the triangles. But your questions now line segment. So dear students, AB, BC and CA is the line segment of first questions. Now second questions. How many line segments in a triangle? 3 line segments. Here AB and BC and CA. 3 line segments. Now in figure B, how many line segments? Write down AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and AF. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dear students, here in this way, write down a line segments. In this way, because a line segment has 2 endpoints. How many endpoints? 2 endpoints. Always remembered. And one question, dear students. This is the figures of a rectangles and meet the diagonals. So dear students, how many line segments? Any student say about how many line segments in these figures? 3, 4. Wrong. To see the how many line segments? AB, BC, CD, AD and 1 line segment. This is also line segments, dear students. Okay, and write down AC. I hope that you understand clear today's topic. So please make question number 1, 2, 3 make and send on my WhatsApp numbers. Thank you students.